Sorry, hello everybody. We're quickly going to do the diamond detonator formula. So what is a detonator? It means it is going to explode. Look at that picture. Ladies, imagine having something like that on your finger. Anyway, so why is an Anantex ecosystem different? Why does it keep retention? Why am I saying Anantex is going to last? Because it's value before income. If a member joins, they can save, protect, and grow without signing up anybody. The benefits becomes part of everyday life. It is ingrained with groceries, travel, education, healthcare, gold accumulation. Multiple reasons to stay because we are saving, we're protecting others, we're earning, and we're getting rewards in gold. The business is growing, we're learning. No stock, no large investments, and no expensive overheads. It's not dependent on speculation. We're not here to say, jump in, the market is going to go up and the story. No, there's no story. It is stability and it is sustainable. The retention strengthens recurring rewards. If everybody really understand that I'm accumulating gold every single month, I'm going to work as hard as I can, fight whoever I must, and do whatever it takes to make sure that I get my gold every single month. It offers a supported, duplicatable system, easy to follow. And it's an addition. It is not a replacement. Doesn't matter what people are doing, even people in network marketing. This is going to help them become better at what they are doing. If somebody is building company XYZ, it doesn't matter. Keep doing that, but add this because it's going to help you grow. It's going to kind of build something for you on the side, and it's going to support your family. Getting to tonight, the retention advantage. People may join because of the opportunity, but they stay because the ecosystem continues delivering value. Value creates relevance. Relevance creates retention. Retention creates stability, and stability creates scalable reward. The diamond detonator. One decision can redirect your life. Tonight, I'm not asking you whether you would like a better future. Most people would. The real question is, have you made a decision powerful enough to change the direction of your future? There comes a moment when you must stop merely hoping that life will improve, and you have to say this to yourself: I will change my future. I will change my financial direction. I will build something that can outgrow my current circumstances. I am going diamond. Diamond begins long before the recognition, the rewards, or the stage. Diamond begins with a decision. So let's break down diamond. The D is to decide. Make a clear decision. Decide. Diamond is my destination. I'm not going to try. I'm not going to say, let's see what happens. Perhaps when I have more time, decide that Anantex will become part of your vehicle that you use to build your future. Your circumstances may explain where you are today, but they do not have to determine where you finish. Serious decision creates new standards. What standards? You become consistent, you attend trainings, you use the system, you stop disappearing when things becomes uncomfortable, and you act even before you feel completely ready. Your future changes when your decisions becomes stronger than your excuses. The I in diamond is for identify your why and your people. Diamond requires 10 personals and 1,500 additional paying members within your 5 levels. But do not look at the 1,500. Begin with 2 things: your reason and your first names. Your reason. Why must your future change? That's a tough question. Why must your future change? Is it your freedom? Is it your children? Retirement? Is it debt? Is it a home? Is it travel? Is it leaving a legacy? Your reason must be strong enough to carry you through rejection and slow days. Your first name. Please listen carefully. You start with a roadmap and you build a serious names list, what we call a hot list. If somebody sits down and they write down people that they were at school with 30 years ago, with all due respect, and the guy working at the counter or the lady at the grocery store, I don't have a lot of hope. That means they don't have a big dream. You do not decide who will or will not join. Our responsibility is to offer people this to have a look. Diamond is hidden inside conversations you have not started yet. A, to activate the 5-step system. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. We have a proper, professional, duplicatable Anantex system that has already been created in 5 steps. Create curiosity, share, ask, help, duplicate. That's it. And then we need to use the tools. What is the tools? You got the 3 introductory videos, the Zooms, the WhatsApps, the 4-page presentation, Anantex Academy, the daily tracker, the growth room. There is so much. Our job is not to explain everything in one conversation. Our job is to connect people to the correct information and guide them through and to a decision. And the 5-step system does exactly that. Tools remove emotion, shortens explanations, and makes the process duplicatable. The M in Diamond is to master your first 10. A Trailblazer activates with 5 personal members. If you've chosen option 3, first goal is 5 personals. Why? It gives you your first rank. The Diamond business for the incentives is calling you to scale to 10. So we start with 5. Then I help my 5 get their 5. Then I scale to 10. And then I help them do exactly what I did. Your first 10 are not simply 10 registrations. They are the foundation of your organization. We're going to work with them. We're going to help them understand to be either a member, a covered member, or a trailblazer. And those that are identified to build, we're going to work with them harder. Please do not attempt to drag everybody to Diamond. Some people want the benefits, and that is perfectly fine. Find the people who say, I want to change my future, the ones that choose option 3. And we're going to help them. Now they are going to become trailblazers, make a decision, build a list, use the tools, find the 5, scale to 10, teach duplication. That's the system. You do not build Diamond by doing everything yourself. You build a Diamond business by developing people who can repeat what works. The O is to operate in the blitz. Now, a blitz is not a random excitement, a short moment. It is a concentrated activity over a defined period. And I've said 120 days, that's 4 months of focused, consistent work will take you to Diamond. 6 days of action, 1 day of rest, and then repeat. What is the blitz? What is your rhythm? Adding names, starting conversations, send information, follow up, invite, help members start getting started immediately, and track the numbers. You do not measure your future by one difficult day. You measure it by the activities that you repeat. Some will say no, some will ignore you, some will start slowly, but some will surprise you. Our job is to keep on moving. A no is not a stop sign. It is simply 1 step closer to the right person. The N in Diamond. Now, yes, I'm using the word network through duplication, but it's not network marketing. This is not network marketing. Diamond is not built from one person carrying 1,500 people. It is built through duplication across 5 levels. Power is not merely what you can do. The power is in what you can teach 10 people to do and what they can teach others to repeat. You do not need 1,500 personal members. You simply need a system moving through your teams. Start with 5, then you scale to 10. Help those 5 get their 5s, and then everybody scales to 10. Help builders emerge, support duplication, and keep your organization balanced. That's why we have introduced 5 and then 10 for your benefit. This is how a big goal becomes a series of smaller achievable actions. Now, please remember the 50% rule for the incentives. If you build a 555, you're building a diamond rank business. How do we make sure that we're going to qualify for the incentives? Is everybody scales to 10. If you only build 10 and help everybody do exactly that, you are building a monster. If you go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, you will build a titanium business, a platinum business. You will build, anyway, let's not get there. You will secure your incentives by doing that every quarter. Width gives you stability. Depth gives you scale. And duplication gives you diamond. Indeed, develop diamonds before you become one. The fastest way to grow is to stop thinking only about your own rank. Ask, who can I help become consistent? Who needs confidence? Who needs training? Who can I lead to the next presentation? How can I develop 5 trailblazers? Who could become my next diamond? Recognition follows leadership. Diamond is not only a number, it represents the person you are becoming. You are becoming disciplined, coachable, consistent, resilient, dependable, and able to develop. You earn the rank by building the numbers, but you become diamond by building people. Here's the formula. 1 decision, 10 members, 5 levels, consistent duplication, diamond. The model is simple. Decide. Choose your destination and activate. Use Analytics tools, a 5-step system, and duplicate. Help new trailblazers repeat the process and explode. In closing, tonight you have two choices. You can either watch another presentation, feel motivated for a few minutes, and return to the same routine, or you can draw a line in the sand and say, my future will not be an accident. My circumstances will not write my final chapter. I've got a vehicle, I've got a system, I've got tools. I will find my team, I will develop the leaders, I will duplicate through 5 levels, and I'm going diamond. I do not wait until I feel like a diamond before you begin. You need to begin and follow the journey to build a diamond inside you. Diamond, detonate, decide tonight, activate tomorrow, duplicate daily, and explode your future. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a diamond inside you. Let's go find it.